LibrarySearch is the gateway to the university library resources, and you'll need to use this to find the key resources for your studies. As well as showing the material held in the library, such as books and DVDs, LibrarySearch will also find online resources such as ebooks and journal articles. You can access LibrarySearch 24/7. Simply go to the main Kent webpage, find the search icon and type in LibrarySearch. You can search LibrarySearch by typing in keywords into the search bar. However, we recommend that if you know exactly what you're looking for, that you limit it to searching by author and a few keywords from the title. Let's look at an example. Say that we wanted to find this book, The Ultimate Study Skills Handbook, by multiple authors. Rather than typing in the whole title, what we can do is just pick a few keywords from the title and one of the author's surnames. So let's search for more and study skills and see what results we get back. You can see that the first result that we get back is the title that we're looking for, and this is shown as being available as an ebook. This is a digital version of the print copy and can be accessed from anywhere at any time. To read the book, simply click on the link to ebook. To begin with, you'll be asked to authenticate and you'll need to log in with your Kent IT account login details. You'll then be taken to the book. You can see that you've got two options here. You can either read it online or you'll be able to download, effectively borrowing a copy of the digital book for a set number of days. We recommend that you use the read online option unless you need to access the book offline for any reason. To read online, just click on the read online option and you can then navigate to the section of the book that you require. Like with this example, the library will also have print versions of many of the titles. The most important thing to remember is that we're here to help, so please do get in touch if you have any queries or we can help in any way.